beautiful Sunday morning, my Facebook friends and family. It's Jeff here again on day 4 of 50 on 50 in Winchester, Virginia. Rolled in here last night after driving through some just beautiful open road after I got out of the urban sprawl of DC. Got country land, vineyards, farmland, horse farms. Just opened up, saw some actually curvy roads for the first time in a few days. Diablo was happy about that. I think I was wearing a center stripe out on my tire from riding such flat, straight roads for so long. But ready to head out today. This day 4 is going to take me through West Virginia and into Ohio and hopefully to Cincinnati. Hope to catch up with my buddy Lance maybe tonight or in the morning if he has time. Last night was a great night. My buddy Wyatt came out. We hung out until the late hours. He ended up actually staying in my hotel room with me, and it's not like that. We used to be college roommates, so it's all cool. Anyway, I hope y'all have as good a day as I plan to have, because I'm going to hit some twisty roads as I hit the mountains of West Virginia. Y'all take care.